Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the butterflies video effect to your text in CapCut PC. So first I'm going to select PNG background and change the color, select canvas, select color and select color that you like. And after done, you are just going to we're just going to add text, select default text, or you can add the text template. For example, I just add to the track and select the clips, right click and create component clip. Go to effect and select the butterflies. So select this one you like. For example, I'm going to select the color butterfly, add to the track and see for the final result. Yeah, so basically I hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.